Good morning to my awesome friends. It is Thursday, and what do we do on Thursday? New to me with my awesome friend, Kimmie's Kitchen and more. Here she is, a wonderful hostess, full of inspiration and lots of things for us to see. Always putting up something new and different. You're never going to get bored with her channel. Go over and check it out, my dear friends. She does all kinds of cooking videos, crafting videos, and sharing so many beautiful things with us. Like this wonderful challenge, New to Me. Anyone can join in. All you have to do is have something new to me. It can be anything a friend gives you. It can be something you buy. It can be something you found. Whatever it is, as long as it's new to me. And here's the cute little rocker that she found. And go over and watch her video today and let her tell you all about it. And isn't it beautiful? And here's just a few of the things on her channel that she has shared with us. Friend Mail Tea Tuesday, coloring, budget-friendly meals, regular meals, shopping hauls. Always something wonderful to see on her channel. Go check her out. Also, please check out the playlist and see what everyone else got new to me this week. Now this week I am sharing two videos with you. This is my second video. The first one was up earlier. One of my friends from work gave me that beautiful plant in the background. And another awesome friend gave me that beautiful bench named Maria. So please go check her channel out. Now my sister gave me this big package of seeds. There's 30 seed packets in this big one you see. It is a great bunch of seeds. It is for survival garden seeds. This package has only heirloom seeds. And so they're really good quality seeds. They're guaranteed to grow, and they come in a large package like you see. And when you open it up, there's 4 little ones that I haven't shared with you yet, and we will do that at a later date. And they have them divided up. And they have lots and lots of variety in them. And there's all kinds of things. They have kale, they have lettuces, and they have parsley, and beets, cabbage, chamomile, eggplants, melons. It's the heart of gold one. And okra. Oh, I love okra. And pepper. And pumpkins. Radishes, you know I love radishes too. Spinach, winter squash, Swiss chard, tomatoes. What do we have? We have rainbow mix. I don't know what those are. I'll have to give those a try. I love a lot of color. Turnips, watermelon, zucchini. Oh my gosh, what else do we have here? So many things. Basil, Brussels sprouts, carrots. Got different kinds of carrots. We have 2 different kinds of carrots here. And cucumbers and dill. Oh, I love dill too. That's one of my favorite plants to grow is dill. It's a beautiful plant, great seasoning, and it's a beautiful flower, and I just love it. So I think it's really worth the money. Now I don't know what my sister paid for this package of seeds, but it's a good selection, and that's what I like. I probably will not have to buy any seeds next year because there's so many seeds here, and there's just me and Grandpa. I probably will use a little bit out of some of these packages this year, and I'll use some more out of the same packages for next year. And it might even last me 3 years. I don't know. I haven't opened any. I don't know how many seeds are in each package. But like I said, we don't need a lot at one time because there's just 2 of us. So I think this is a great thing to buy. I will give you some more info probably, I don't know, maybe another month or so about it. I have to get in here and get some packages open and start trying to plant them and see how they do. And I'm really all jazzed up about it. So here's all the things that I got new this week. And I didn't have to spend any money. They were all gifts from friends or my sister. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little chit chat that we put together for you, all to do with new to me. And I can't wait to get these seeds in my garden. I need to buy a few big containers and start planting. So we'll do probably another garden video on this, and a full video just showing you the seed packets I got and the information on the seed packets. The seed packets did come with information also, and I'm really happy with this this package of seed collection that my sister gave me. I think she gave it because she knew I'd love it, and it'll be something I'll want to buy from now on. I like going to one place and getting a good selection of what I like. And there's only a couple things I don't know if I would eat. I don't like beets. I may give the beet seeds to my my daughter, but who knows, I still may grow them and let you know how they work for me. See you in the next video, my dear friends.